Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar,
This is Dr Firdous, Islamic English channel, and I am your lecturer, speaker and presenter Dr Taj Firdousi. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am very much pleased to say that we are in the process of learning Adhan. The most important thing in Adhan is the words you have to recite. Number two, the voice, the way of saying Adhan. Anything that you like, you can't just as well make your own way. You have to follow certain Adhans which are very effective and beautiful. Today, I am going to give you something very important Adhan, and you will see to it and you practice the same thing only with Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. So what's important is, I told you in my last class, that your pitch should be known to you. Where exactly is your pitch? The bass. If your bass is down, you start with the down so that the bass, when it goes up to the octave, it should match and it should be in the limit. If you start your bass on the higher pitch, very beginning itself, you can't reach on the top. And I have given you the example, like some people, they start saying their bass is low, something like C or even B. And what they do? They start with F or sharp and G as this one, but they can't reach the next F sharp or G in the octaves. So first, the secret is this. First you check your octave, for example, and then you go to the bass and match, and then you start. For example, let's say Allah. Then the bass is Allah. You start with bass Allah. You can even go half the way. Some adhans, remember, will not reach the octaves. They will go up to the 5th note or 6th. That's all. They don't go to the 12th note. So, if you see that the adhan you are reciting is only of 5 notes, then you can start, your bass is C, but still you can use E. For example, now let's start with, just now I said, Oh, Allah. So with this one, I am giving you the practice of adhan, and you see that on the top when you reach, it's beautiful. You can have the control over that one. Listen to me, like Tajweed, how you practice with the rules and regulations, the same things follow here. For example, if it is Allah, you see that Allah starts, La starts with A. So naturally La is full, like Allah, not Allah. Allah, Billah is okay. Bismillah, because there is kasr, there is Bismi, E is there. Then you can say Bismillah. If it is the Fath, then you have to say Allah. So in Adhan, Allahu Akbar is Allah, not Allah. Allah is wrong, Allah is right. Allahu, not who, it is ha. Allahu Akbar is wrong. Many people say Akbar. Some people say Ka or Cha, Akbar. In some places, I have heard that. Not O, like ba, not bo, bar, not akbar, ak is also wrong. Akbar, bor. So many people say Allahu Akbar. Where is that bur? Where is that bur? There is no dhammam. Bur. It is bar. So let's say only just Allahu Akbar today. Allahu, hu, not ha, hu, the sound from the throat. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. That's all. That's fine. Only Allahu Akbar. In the next, I will teach you Ashhadu an la ilaha and all that one. There are rules of same tajweed you have to follow. Even today, even now, as I pass, when I pass about 5 or 6 adhans on the speaker, and they have different way of pronunciation because nobody takes care. Whatever he says, he is a muadhin, a low paid salary than Imam. So Imam does it. I talked to the Imams and I said that it's your duty to correct muadhin. And he said that no, I tried, but they say the same way, they can't change. If they can't change the muadhin. That's all. Only just one adhan, and 5 times he has to give the same adhan 5 times a day, and then he has to give the same thing in a week or a month or a year. Same thing goes on. And one adhan which will take at least about 3 minutes, they can't even learn that. There should be, that's the reason why I started this adhan training with the pitch and bass and everything. Now, listen, my dear friends, this program is for you. You practice. And there is adhan. In the next class, I am giving you the full adhan. You copy it and give it to your muadhins to practice. And remember, this adhan, what I am going to give you now, is with the bass, very low bass. It will be easy for you to practice and everyone to say that one. It goes, I will tell you at the end. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair. Let's watch the next. Let's wait for the next video of mine. Immediately, every alternate days, I'm thinking of presenting my things to you, so that let's make this call of adhan and tajweed and everything beautiful to the world. Okay?
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Jazakallah khair.